Sibonga kakhulu madoda ukuthi nifike sihlezi singakwazi ukubonana kanje ngoba sisuke sibhizi thina ngemuva sithi indoda ayikhali. Namhlanje ke it's not about us, it's about nina. Sinilandela abantu aba right abazokhuluma nathi sonke la and they're going to inform us. Nembuzo is more than welcome. Even if ufuna ukubuza ubamdabe into yakenzeka 2 weeks ago on the show, you're more than welcome. Ngoba it's not about us, it's about nina ke. Sithanda ukubonga iGagasi okunikezela lithuba, sithanda ukubonga naye Artisan. Sesingaqala.
Absolutely. I'd like to introduce firstly I'm a panelist here so khuluma nawo namhlanje before siqale sizoba ne-opportunity ukuthi sizwe uvolvela kubona ibona abantu esibathembile laba abazosisiza mhlambe okuhambeni lwethu ngiyazi ngesikwazi cover yonke into mhlambe namhlanje but lokho esocothoza phezulu kwakho namhlanje siyathemba ukuthi kuzoletha ushintsho empilweni zethu before ngenze njalo ngifuna nje ukuthi ngiqale ngibonge ubaba uMthiyane okhona phakathi kwethu ngizomintroduce very shortly uyena umphathi wethu ke lo okhona lapha eGagasini he really is going to give us he's the audience experience HOD yethu and he's going to be addressing us very shortly ngicela simshayele izandla ke ubaba uMthiyane ekhona phakathi kwethu bafethu ningasindele izandla shaya nje izandla kuzwakala amadoda ashaya izandla impela okhona futhi phakathi kwethu namhlanje sikhona futhi sihleli naye lo baba ngijwayele ukumbona ke mina mengibuka indaba ave ngithanda ukubuka indaba he is one of the most brilliant minds akhona la eSouth Africa kusizo ukusilethela ingcandezo ngezinto mhlambe ezisuke ikhona zepolitiki mhlambe nezinto ezisuke ikhona legally speaking ukhona ke phakathi kwethu baba uMpumelelo zikalala cese imshayele izandla ekhona phakathi kwethu omunye ubaba futhi ekhona ngimkhonze kakhulu unebandla lapha eMaritzburg usebenza kakhulu endlela emangalisayo usomabhizinisi futhi oqavile khona la eKZN khona la eSouth Africa doing amazing things in the education space doing amazing things emabhizinisini ngicela simshayele izandla umfundisi ubaba uNhlanhla uKhambule ekhona phakathi kwethu ngicela simshayele izandla last but definitely not least he's no stranger to the show ye #RateMnandemini njalo ngolesibili siqeda ukuba naye njengamanje kwindoda ayikhali ubaba uMyeza undaba eMyeza ukhona phakathi kwethu he's a psychologist and of course he's a cultural expert cela simshayele izandla futhi nayo ekhona phakathi kwethu with that being said bafethu it's time for us to get on this journey but before senze njalo kubalekile sithole incandezo ibackground on how this came about siyazi ukuthi kunendoda ayikhali ku Midday Connection and of course kwi Fast Lane le khona njengamanje live from 3 to 6 kunendoda must so these two features have come together and brought you immense conference but ozosichazela kabanzi iyona indoda ade ngikhuluma ngayo earlier on he is the HOD yethu osiphethe audience experience ubaba uMthiyane eseza phambi kwethu ezosibingelela ngibonke
Thank you Khaya Nyambosi ngibingelela nakumalwane emcimbini and then our panelist sihlonipheke kakhulu we are humbled ngecontribution enizobe nisinikeza yona and then kuzoba ke ama guests ethu akwabalaleli bethu abakanye nathi and I'm happy to see uMangethe weyitimela sekoselise kuba igama lakho lelo and then we also have a team from Gagasi FM abalingani abakhona niyaphila madoda siyaphila nathi ade ngikhuluma kwenye function on Saturday ngathi I was taught ukuthi mangabe but lo muntu wayengifundisa kwakuyikhehla njengangisebenza nalo that groomed me othi ungabomshayela umuntu ihlombe umesaya ke podium uyoshayela umuntu ihlombe afike lapha bhede sekuthi nawe you support that umufuna ukwazi ukuthi isiteshi somsakazo siyaphila yini just like any kind of business mawuhamba la ade wagcina ekhakini kukhona icontainer ebomvu engasestopini uma isasebenza ubona ukuthi kube khona abantu abahamba phambi kwayo ekutheni isadayisa nesiteshi somsakazo mawufuna ukwazi ukuthi siyaphila yini ubona ukuthi izinto ezikhulunywa kusona nezenziwa kuso kube izinto abantu abathi kunokuthi bethi so what we are here today because these young stars who produce what we call content kahle ama moments they were given ama shows to do kwase kuba ukuthi aba present ku leadership yeGagasi akuthathiki isinqumo umuntu oyedwa eGagasi ukuthi ubani ozokwenza iphi show and ba motivate ukuthi we do need to have conversations where abantu okukhulunywa ngabo be-reflector, be-enza introspection, ebese-ke umphakathi nawo usuyaresponda. Uma-ke sibheka abantu esibasakazelayo eGagasi, kubalulekile ukubheka ukuthi abantu abangakanani. Njengoba nikhona la niwufakazi. Labantu abala umuntu oqale ngaye mhlawumbe ukuthi kube ne-degree noma i-diploma or ukuthi kuthiwe khona umuntu oye-university kuqala ngaye kule family. Ilo muntu lawo nama-siblings akubo okumele akhokhe i-tuition fee ne-registration nemali ye-res. Umuntu lo ekhaya kubo bebekhule emjondolo kumbe kunendle u4 room okuzoqala ngayo ukuthi kube nendle nama-tiles. So can you imagine ukuthi kuzokwenzekani uma izinto zingaqondani kahle in how this particular individual takes decisions? Amanye azombinda legally, wenza into out of ukuthi uyahlanya ukuma early 20s, you are not guided, and record lakho seliphele ngendlela yokuthi ngeke usakwazi ngisho ukuthola umsebenzi. So iqala lapho ekutheni when imidday connection iqhamuka na this concept yokuthi let them speak, we shall not judge them, but again sizobabuyisa futhi endleleni. The idea of indoda ayikhali ke yaqhamuka kanjalo. Then bese sizoba nendoda must in the afternoon. Ingena ngesikhathi where abantu mase bephumile emsebenzini, bephumile esikoleni, bephumile la bekade bekhona. They reflect on ukuthi ilanga namhlanje lenzeni. Then bese bethola catch up yokuthi bekade kwenzekani during the day. But if you notice kuzo zombili lezi inhlelo esizenzayo, asithathi nje nanombani. I-currency yethu into enkulu kakhulu kithi ilo moya ukuthi sifuna ukukhuluma nabalaleli bethu. So ke lento eyenzeka namhlanje iconfirma what iGagasi is about. We are not about ukuthola i-talent si-discover bese siyayideploya, but we are also about ukuthi laba basakazi bethu, laba basebancane abangaka, abayi-youth, bayazi ukuthi ontanga yabo nabantu abangaphansi kwabo baphile kanjani, babhekana naziphi inkinga. So namhlanje ke sizothi kini whatever the problems are khona, this is a safe space. Yibani free ukuthi nikhulume ngezinkinga enibhekana nazo. On Saturday, a function ebihlelwe by one of the municipalities, kwakukhona even nabantu besifazana ababekade bemenyiwe. They got to be emotional when they listened to indaba ye-victimization, ne-emotional consequences of indoda esuke esi-broken. So we're all about that. Asizukujajana, and I'm happy to see people in their early 20s, mid-20s, early 30s, and a few late 30s as well and beyond. So you have 3 generations yabantu la abazokwazi ukukhuluma. So nizokhuluma nje nikhululeke. We are all about that. So ke ukhaya usivulele ngomthandazo. Nami I come from umndeni osikhulise ngokuthandaza. Kubona wonke ama-prophet akhona. There's one prophet igama lakhe kuthiwa uJeremiah. In today's world, he would be a human rights activist because he stood for social injustices. He wrote the book Yama Kings. 1 Kings, isahloko 2, then bese kuba neverse lesibili. Ina ube yindoda. So this is what this is about. If you don't trust it, it is there in the Bible. You will check it later. Whatever the problems are khona, but sinalo mthwalo ukuthi kunzima kunjalo, we can't be the ones abahamba belimba all the way. Through it all, Ina and be a man. Ngiyabonga.
I think that's one of the best introductions that we need. Yokuqala lenkulumo. Bafethu mhlambe angichaze ngisho kanje ukuthi azile ukuzona addressa namhlanje. Sizozwa uvo lwenu, sizozwa ukukhala kwenu, sizozwa inhliziyo zenu. Lamadoda ahleli la ngaphambili azozama ukutheklisha leyo mbuzo, lolo valo, lobo buhlungu. Leyo nkathazo ekhona enhlizweni yakho, because my first question mhlambe ngizoyibuza ukuqala lenkulumo ukuthi yinto ebanga indoda ihluleke ukukhuluma. Wona mhlawumbe umbuzo engifuna ukuqala namhlanje because mengase ngithi mina nayi imic ngitshena ukuthi into esenhlizweni yakho. Ungaqala ungundaze nje ukuthi Nkosi yami and akona mhlawumbe futhi akholutho ukusaba nje. Lokuthi Nkosi yami lento engizoyisho Nkosi yami izongifaka yini ehlazweni noma imina ngedwa mhlawumbe ngidlula kulento namhlanje ngifuna ukwazisa cishe ukuthi ngenzeke ukuthi yonke into odlula kuyona nami ngidlula kuyona. And into ekwenza uthulu it's because uqala ukuthi wedwa kuleyo nto. And so namhlanje ngifuna ukunikeza isiqiniseko ukuthi ispace safe, ispace ekuzokhulumeka kusona kube nomoya ukuthi siyabuyisana. Hayi umoya ukuthi siyatshenana. And so mhlambe ngizoqala ngalawo mazwi ukuthi ngihande over kubamndabe bamndabe usinikeze just a bit of a psychological mindset or a premise ye psychology eyenza ukuthi indoda mekuthi khathazekile inobuhlungu enhlizweni yayo ihluleko ngokuyikhuluma leyo nto. Kungenzeka ukuthi kunayo incandeze khona mhlawumbe singachazeleka kangcono mengasesazi ngokufunda psychologically speaking ukuthi into ebanga indoda ife ngaphakathi.
Ngicela aliphuma ikhanda. Ngicela ukubingelela esizweni sikaPhalo. Kade isithunzi sendoda sabucuzwa senziwe impuphu. Especially ngesikhathi kufika thinking esasibiza phecelezi ngokuthi ifeminism. Ngicela madoda lapho kunina emafonini ake nigugulishe lento engizoyisho origins of the word family. Origins of the word family. Ngena nemafoni madoda nayi airtime lapho bane airtime origins of the word family. Ngoba khona la ngizokutshela khona ukuthi konakalaphi origins of the word family. Now Khaya kuthe uma i-revolution ngama 40s and 30s respectively igadla ishaya umhlaba wonke igubuzela isithunzi sendoda kwaphucwa sona kwase kuqhamuka iperiod esithi postmodernism. Kwi-postmodernism babefuna indoda ekwazi ukwasha amanabukeni ekwazi ukuphekisa unkosikazi mepheka ezithobile. And they even apply the thinking, commercial thinking, in order to subdue isithunzi sendoda. Bamsuse endaweni zakhe wayosebenza away from home. Causing him ukuthi lapho phela ngoba umuntu wesilisa akakwazi ukuhlala ngaphansi komuntu wesifazane kube khona umuntu wesifazane ozomfudumeza. That led into the degradation of the African family. Saya phansi kakhulu isithunzi sendoda. Kwasaqala ke sekuphakama izinto enjengo-consumerism, which is creating another problem. Ukuthi uma uyindoda kufanele ugqoke kanje, kufanele ukhulume kanje, kufanele ucabange kanje, kufanele uhambe nobani ukuze wamukele ebudodeni. And this led to the fourth phase, esithi gender competition. Now, kwacaca ukuthi abantu besifazane sebefuna le ndoda esingayibiza ukuthi inteke engendoda. Kodwa ethanda ukwamukeleka kumuntu wesifazane. Nabe nisakhuze nakhuza kwadla ukuthi uma ukhuza uzobukwa ngendlela ekuthile kuthiwe uya outdated. Sifuna le ndoda enteke kodwa futhi esenabo ubuncane bobudoda. Kwaya Khaya bangabi happy ama political institutions and consumerist institutions udayi noma le ndoda ikhona isaqinile isavusa umhlwenga isafuna ukuhlonishwa ukuthi okay remove isithunzi sakhe by alcoholizing the man and ensuring that he suffers through displacement. Saphuma saphela isithunzi kwa empowerisha abantu besifazane ngalana ukuthi ba confront abantu besilisa yaphela ke ekhaya. Ukhona setholile kuze ngichazele into engishoyo. Kwala ngijahe khona. Ukhona quick gentleman la ngithe khona nibheka ukuthi ithini?
Origins of family.
It comes from the Latina familia and familias.
Yes.
It means slaves of the household and slaves.
likhona igama lesizulu elichaza umndeni lesingisi alikho
Cha.
ake ngiphinde guys likhona igama lesingisi elichaza umndeni alikho so into thina abantu abamnyama esenzile esihlusula isithunzi sasibhaqaza phansi ingesikhathi sibiza ngama families meaning to say thina siphethe ama slaves and that mindset is prevalent up to now no Mr. is a slave owner ingane zakho ngaphakathini nonkosikazi igqila zakho so uyayazi ke attitude yegqila towards ubani umphathi weqila so that was the last straw in Africa umndeni inde yithambo lomuntu ongasekho emhlabeni umbona ithambo lomuntu ongasekho akusho ukuthi ithambo kuthiwa yinde linomkantsha phakathi linomlando walowo mndeni lo igama kumndeni laqhamuka khona so thina umndeni siwubuka njengabantu abasondelene abasherisha igazi ubuhlobo inhlonipho ukwazisana isiko nokuhlonipha ubudala kwabeza la igama umzali liqhamukaphi kwabeza la now the moment to destroy yonke leyo hierarchy kamadoda yaphela indaba yayo ngoba of late manje sekukhona imizi ephethwe abafana oboy yabona ke ingenze eyabiza ngoboy yeah umfana kuthiwa uboy uno13 sekuthiwa man of the house so you akanayo imodeling of a man so uzoba uboy till he dies nobody is born a man you learn to become one but into ezohlangabezana nayo khaya sengivala ama expectations from you as a man you must support you must feed you must lead kufanele ube ATM at the same time kufanele ube yona yonke into and ngesikhathi yona yonke into kubukhuni ukudefine inhloso yakho yobulisa nobudoda ngaphakathi kwenzakalani mase ubuhlungu sebugabhe kakhulu ugcina usuwuvobo toxic ngizoma lapha